Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.